Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2016 utility 48'X102. Folks, this is an aluminum combo, 73,000 GVW, air ride suspension with a universal mounting kit on the back. The kingpin plate on this unit has been replaced. As you can see, the beam condition and the joists look like they've been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. As we come back here, we have a brand new buyer's toolbox. Sliding rear suspension, 73,000 GVW air ride suspension. Refurbed steel outer rim. Brand new rubber all the way around. Brakes and drums are brand new. Adjustable universal mounting kit, carries Moffett, Princeton, and Load Mac. To our existing customers, this is one thing that has changed here recently. We do offer now an adjustable plate to move this from 23 inches to a 28-inch spread to fit different lifts. As I said, refurbed steel outer rim, brand new straps, and refurbed ratchets. This is Equipment Remarketing. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. More than happy to answer any questions you might have.